to jingkiu ki kam runar ne thombori kentai khna kadai ka kam ko skokhia la ong ka Director General of Police ka jala ka kong Ida Shisha Nongrang IPS hakabakala banrap ban rupsan person na ki mokoduma kam runar bola charge sheet aus nam arjar fly kidai halor ki kam runar bat kam thombor yaki kentai khna habakran shikila pthai khubor ka arpratrik julio arjar psau hadeng ka jingelang yemri chingmut apreng srokar jala hak jingelam ummentri rangba konrat ki sangma bat sumbut mentri rangba ba prestun tensong rengkat ki officer ka pulit kong nongrang kala ong bah kacing yalang laikran bon kimat kamtam ban yada kacing te la kami ki kamrunar kacing penbet penbyang ki bor pulit bat ban penyachan ye kacing yadai hapleng ki pulit bat upat ba.
This is an annual thing which we normally have every year. Unfortunately, we were not able to have it in last year, so we are having it this year, and we look forward to taking a number of decisions which will be which the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister have been very kind to assure us that they would continue with their commitment and their support to us.
What are the major issues you will be?
The major issues our priorities would be, of course, as usual, prevention, detection of crime. Our priorities would also look at the infrastructure that we have. Our priorities would also be a thing which we are trying very hard to improve, our police public relations. To that end, we would be appointing a PRO soon, which we haven't had for a number of years. And also another priority, of course, is again, together with working with the Social Welfare Department in the DREAMS project. I would like to point out here that in the last conference which was held in 2022, a number of initiatives were taken up. The government did support us, and we were able actually to do these things rather than just be a tabletop exercise and just ending in discussions. I would also like to point out here that when it comes to crime against women and children, 65% of our cases which end up in charge sheet, especially in 2023, were from cases of crime against women and children. Yes, crime against women and children is a rise. It's in fact, if you look at it as a total percentage of the total crime in the state, last year it was 32% of the total crime in the state, which is a cause of concern. Yes, we are looking at cybercrime. In fact, we had one of the things which we had requested the government is, proposed to the government is for a cyber unit, a cyber wing in fact, and the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister have been gracious enough to give us the go ahead on that. That would be one of the things that we would be focusing on and ensuring that it comes into being very soon. We've had already in the run-up to the implementation of the new laws from the 1st of July, we've had numerous training sessions already. We've had numerous interactions both with BPRLD and with MHA on this and with other states also as to what are the best practices forward. Yes, the BNSS has already been, the government has already notified it also, and it would be applicable to the whole of Meghalaya. There are various aspects of it. Yesterday we had a panel discussion on it, and various aspects of it which have changed. There are some new aspects, and those certainly will be a cause of.
में मिलाकर बेचे जा रहे हैं। इसके बारे में मैंने एक वीडियो भी देखा है जिसमें उन्होंने चावल से बॉल बना दी थी।
क्या ये सच है? अब हम इस चावल का क्या करें?
राजू आज पड़ोस में हमारे एरिया के फूड सेफ्टी ऑफिसर आए हुए हैं। चलो उनसे ही पूछते हैं।
राजू और देव ने अपने एरिया के फूड सेफ्टी ऑफिसर से मिलकर इस बारे में बात की।
सर देखिए, इस फोर्टिफाइड चावल में कुछ दाने अलग दिख रहे हैं।
घबराइए नहीं, FSSAI के निर्देश के अनुसार चावल में सूक्ष्म पोषक तत्वों को सही मात्रा में मिलाया जा रहा है। इन्हें कहते हैं फोर्टिफाइड चावल। फोर्टिफाइड चावल के दाने चावल का पाउडर और सूक्ष्म पोषक तत्व जैसे विटामिन B12, फॉलिक एसिड और आयरन को सही मात्रा में मिलाकर बनाए जाते हैं। फिर इन्हें आम चावल के साथ 1 दाना प्रति 100 दाने के अनुपात में मिलाया जाता है।
अच्छा, पर ये बॉल जैसा क्यों हो जाता है?
पके हुए चावल में 80% स्टार्च होता है और कार्बोहाइड्रेट की अधिक मात्रा होने के कारण चावल चिपकता है और इसमें लचीलापन आता है। और हाँ, किसी भी तरह के चावल को चिपकाकर इस तरह की बॉल बन सकती है।
ये तो आपने बिल्कुल सही बात बताई सर, लेकिन क्या फोर्टिफाइड चावल के रख रखाव और पकाने के तरीके में कोई फर्क होता है?
जी नहीं, फोर्टिफाइड चावल के रख रखाव, स्वाद और पकाने की विधि आम चावल जैसी ही होती है। हमें फोर्टिफाइड चावल को अपने रोजाना के खाने में प्रयोग करना चाहिए ताकि हमें और हमारे परिवार को सही पोषण मिल सके। इसके साथ साथ सभी चावल उत्पादकों को भी फोर्टिफाइड चावल उपलब्ध करवाने चाहिए ताकि हम सब इससे स्वास्थ्य लाभ ले सकें।
आपने तो हमारी आंखें ही खोल दी। अब हम अपने और अपने परिवार के लिए फोर्टिफाइड चावल ही लाएंगे।
फूड सेफ्टी एंड स्टैंडर्ड्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया द्वारा जनहित में जारी।